Hello, my name is Praveen Andrews. My friend, I want to welcome you to this video. To a saucepan, add 8 eggs, and enough water to cover the eggs by 1/4 inch on top. Bring to a boil. Then remove from heat, cover with the lid, and let it sit for 12 minutes. Drain water and immediately run cold water over eggs until cooled. Peel the eggs and keep aside. Add 1/2 inch piece of ginger and 1 1/4 cloves of garlic to a mortar and pestle. Grind until you get a smooth paste to produce roughly 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Keep aside. To a kadai or wok pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and turn the heat to high until the oil is hot enough. The surface of the oil will be shiny when hot. If you see smoke, the oil is too hot. Remove pan from heat and let it cool off for about 30 seconds before continuing. Turn the heat to medium. Add 1 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds and saute for 30 seconds. Add 2 green chilies split in half lengthwise, 15 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste that was kept aside, and saute for 3 minutes until the mixture becomes fragrant. Add 3 cups chopped onions. One teaspoon salt and cook over medium heat for 7 minutes until the onions are softened and appear shiny. Since oil usage is minimal, at any time during the saute, if the food sticks to the bottom of the pan, add 4 tablespoons to up to a cup of water or even more if needed. Stir in 2 teaspoons ground turmeric and cook for 1 minute until the raw smell of the spices disappears. Add more water if needed. Add 1/2 cup coconut milk, a pinch, that is 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch, that is 1/8 teaspoon of cumin. Turn the heat to medium-high and cook for 2 minutes. Remove from heat and keep aside. Cut the hard-boiled eggs that were kept aside in half lengthwise and transfer to a serving platter. Pour the sautéed mixture carefully over the egg. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.